Hi everyone, my name is Michael Bender and welcome to my course Implementing Threat Protection with Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection, or ATP. I'm an author at Pluralsight. In most organizations, Office 365 is one of the largest attack vectors. Protecting your users from threats is critical for your organization's success. In this course, we're going to cover protecting an enterprise Office 365 tenant using Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection. Some of the major topics that we'll cover are going to include implementing Office 365 ATP, working with safe links and safe attachments, protecting Office 365 from spam, phishing, and impersonation attacks, and investigating and remediating threats. When you're finished with this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge of Office 365 ATP needed to protect your organization. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with common Office 365 administration and management tasks in an enterprise environment, common security fundamentals, including common threat vectors and email-based attacks. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn threat protection in Office 365 with this course, Implementing Threat Protection with Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection at Pluralsight.